On today's episode of Watch Aero Go, we're back at Dave's Detail here in Andover, Kansas, and we're gonna finish up everything. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch Aero Go, and today we're over here. Dave is already hard at work. He jumped right back in and started polishing. I have been cleaning out the car because I have lots of extra parts and parts that I need to put back on the car. And I have to clear all those out of the interior so we can work on that a little bit. So I'm kind of making a little stack over there. And yeah, starting to look like something we could do some cleaning on. All right, time to figure out what's going on with all this extra stuff laying here in the trunk. So I guess it does do that, which is kind of really cool, honestly. We just need to get the spare tire mounted back up and clean out all this junk. Way better. Trying to get all the rest of the trash out of here. Chris is going way too hard. He's just getting it all done. I just found a heated ice scraper in the back of this seat pocket. There's a whole bunch of junk in there, and you can see it kind of stretched out the pocket, but like, that's pretty funny. It's heated and lighted. Just plug it in and go. Dave's making magic happen over here.
Do you need this at all? It's no bicycle.
It's no bicycle. It's no 1-inch round tube frame. And I've been working on the trunk back here because this was full of dirt. So just slowly but surely getting all the dirt out of here. I mean, we're talking that caked thick dirt. And Chris has been going hard on the interior here. Take a look at this. This side's all vacuumed out. You can see what we're working with right there. That's how dirty the carpets are. That's probably almost black. And this is kind of what it should look like here, this light tan. Actually, the color under the floor mat's probably the most accurate, but it is going to look new. If you remember that shot from the last time, that was nothing but just deep scratches, and now it looks incredible. Here's the mats before. Those have been vacuumed and hit with the Tornador, so blown out. And now they're gonna get scrubbed and extracted, and they will probably come out looking as good as new. Should be insane.
So fun.
I don't know if you guys are ready for this. This one just got extracted. You wanna hit the next one?
Yeah.
Bringing the trunk lid back to life. Oh, you switched from the 2000, huh?
Yep.
Oh, 3000 Trizac, okay, on a KXK block.
Yep.
A little bit of quick detailer for lube. But you'll be able to see a nice 50-50 of the just polished side and the wet sanded side here. Ooh. And 4 brand new mats.
And here,
Look at the trunk. Here's our 50-50 line again. There's that 240p, and there is that 4K. What's up, guys? I mean, it's unbelievable how good that looks. This is awesome, dude.
way better.
Way better. That's incredible. This is looking incredible. Take a look. The carpets are coming out too. Unbelievable turnaround on the SAAB. Look at this. Getting the door jambs done. All the interior wiped down over here. Chris is doing the seats back there, every inch of them. That looks awesome, dude.
Thank you.
The car's black again. So we got a few more minutes here, and then we're gonna do a final rinse, get everything, all the polish dust cleaned off and everything. And it's just unbelievable. All these jams are done for the most part, a little bit left. Engine bay is kind of done. And we're using this solution finish back to black to try to restore the trim under the windshield there. As you remember, it was completely white. it looked like this. And over here, dark and black. Here we go. A little bit of solution finish, black restore on this too. Look at that. No more white.
Just look at it.
Just look at it. Would you just look at it? We are wrapping up here the last couple inches of the interior, and Dave's polishing out the last little bit over there on the passenger side, and it is time to get out of here. I did a little bit of the engine bay. It's not perfect, but it's something. The interior of this monster looks brand new all the way through. Well, Dave, you've outdone yourself. The SAAB looks new. Yeah, I mean, honestly, it's unbelievable. Let's take a look at that. Wow. I mean, it's the whole thing is looking very mirror-like, which is awesome. Now you can really tell that I have to get this tint off.
That's next, huh?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, like now the paint looks so good that the rest of the car I have to fix.
We'll get it.
Tint's on my radar. Thank you so much for
man. Thank you.
polishing this out. It looks
You're welcome
incredible.
anytime.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And the carpets look new. So good.
Leave your
And
windows cracked for a couple days, let it air out.
that's what I figured. Yeah, I thought we might have a little humidity buildup if we don't.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Gotcha. This is Ryan. Ryan is gonna swap out this absolutely destroyed windshield. I don't know if you guys really saw it on the other videos, but look how many cracks are in that thing. It is gone. So here is the super pretty new one. You can see it's got the provision for the rain sensor and all that good stuff. And the wiper blades are off, so the cowl can come off here in a moment, and it'll be go time. Oh, hidden fasteners.
Yes.
Oh, I see. All this metal turns. SAAB windshields, huh? Is this as fun as BMW windshields?
To be honest with you, this is my first SAAB I've ever done.
Oh, okay.
I do all the, we have the Walser,
Luxury collection cars?
at our deal. So I've been doing Porsche, Mercedes, Ferrari, Lamborghini. I've done all of them. But this is my first time touching a SAAB.
Heck yeah.
But so far it looks pretty...
Learning experience.
Yeah, it looks... Yeah, it definitely is. But it looks pretty
Not
straightforward.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Those carpets. There's the cowl off, there's the moldings off, and the upper molding's gotta come out, and then windshield can come out. Car looks a lot different without all the trim on it. Here, I'll join in on the action. Yeah, there's a lot of dirt in there. Upper molding off. This just cuts right through all the sealant.
Yep. Right
Nice.
through your thing.
I figure you guys usually don't get to see the glass process. I know Safe Flight will do it in front of you, like, you know, sitting in a parking lot, but then you're at work, so you never get to watch it happen.
The magic happens.
Yep. Isn't it nice the rain sensor is pre-disconnected for you?
Yes, definitely.
Just,
One extra step.
it removes itself when it's time to replace the windshield. It's like, all right, you're good now. Hey, that is awesome. Throw it on the ground, see what happens. All right, all the adhesive is out of here. Take a look at that. That's pretty cool. And there is the new one. And then back down. It just keeps them from getting broken by the rain sensor mount.
Yep.
Oh, the rain sensor mount's there. That's
Yep.
nice.
You are good to go.
Sweet. Super cool. Which makes me wonder, like, why does this one still have the junk on it?
The prepping to adhere the urethane to the glass.
Gotcha. Comes with its own applicator and all, huh?
Yep.
Pretty sweet. That is freaking sweet. Ooh, I'm way high. Oh, under the hood?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And that is perfect. Right on there.
Up as high as possible, I assume?
Yeah, because it'll kind of fall down a little bit.
I'll let you do the positioning.
Yep. Make sure we're good on the sides, and I think other than that, we're good to go. That's perfect right there.
Heck yeah.
Oh, it just got Velcro on it. Cool. Go on there like
Ah, that's cool.
so. There she blows.
Nice. It's pretty good.
Cleared up in there.
Yep.
And then that'll cover it the rest of the way.
A brand new windshield. Now the rest of the car, I gotta throw it away because the windshield looks too good. But huge thank you, Ryan.
Thank you.
It looks amazing. I can't wait to drive it around. Oh, and the wiper arms. I should probably take those, huh? These are gonna go get sandblasted and powder coated, or at least painted back to black. So they should look good instead of having this terrible sun fade on them. A ton of SAAB progress has been made. Next up, we're gonna do that crank position sensor to make sure it doesn't strand me again. And we got plenty of other stuff to work on, a whole interior to fix. So that is it for today, guys. Don't forget to head on over to shopwatchjairgo.com to pick up some merch. I'm wearing one of my shirts, it's under here. And please, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you wanna do, and I will talk to you next time. I finally got a check engine light. It's for the diverter valve. I gotta change the springs. We're going to the yellow. Also, this is just, it's so clean. It doesn't even look like there's glass there. I love it.